Hey friends, if you wish to enable Gmail desktop notifications on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Click on the gear-like symbol at the top right corner and then click on See All Settings. Now scroll down. Okay, you will find an option for desktop notifications. So you have the choice here. If you want them off, they're off by default, then you can leave it as it is. If you want only the important ones, then select this one. And if you want new mail notifications on, then select this one. So every time you get an email, you'll get a notification. And you can also select the sound with which you get the notification. Okay. So we can select this sound. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.